Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration WD63NDE. 2013 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 125 PS Low Roof DCab Limited Van L1. It has done 124,000 miles. The van comes with air conditioning, parking sensors, alloys, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated windscreen, heated seats, cruise control, tailgate, sidebars. A great-looking example of a SWB Black Custom Crew Cab. It's the LTD spec, so has all the toys, air conditioning, heated seats, etc. It benefits from 2 seats up front, much more comfortable for the passenger. Clean bodywork and interior, what's not to like? A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.